Hello again, everybody. It's me, John, from Audio Depot, and today we're talking about an enclosure from Rockford Fosgate called the P310T. T stands for, I think, truck application or thin. This is a very thin enclosure, so it'll slide behind a seat in a small truck or when you just don't want to give up a whole lot of space. The box, the woofer, and the amplifier are all in one. It makes it really nice when you are trying to remove it. Everything is there. If you need to take the box out, it only weighs about, I would say, around 12 pounds or so. And then all you have to do is unplug this little guy. It's got your power, ground, and turn on. You just unplug it there. You unplug your cable, I guess from right there, for your bass knob. And then the kit also comes with Velcro so you can secure it down. It's really, really nice. These kits are called zoom in please, 1130-59232-01. You will find these on our website. I think we've got the best price online for these kits. I think around $50 or so. The next guy up maybe $70. So if you need one of these, we have plenty in stock. We loaded up years ago. And then what happens is that folks trade in their car and they grab the box. You know, they take it with them, but they forget the bass knob. They unplug everything and then they move on. And then they realize when it's time to put it in the next vehicle, oh my God, I don't have my bass knob, I don't have my power plug, I don't have anything. But we've got them here at Audio Depot. They're really inexpensive and it makes life a lot easier. These guys are around I think the P310 is like $349 if I'm not mistaken. It may be a little more, a little less, but it's around that area. And we also have them in 12-inch. We have the regular size 310-inch, and they're in stock. We just got a huge order of Rockford Fosgate in today, and so come down, and if you need a big bass in a small space, this is the way to go. Have a great weekend and be safe and drive careful.